Ever feel like your money is evaporating into thin air? You're not alone. Tracking finances can be a real struggle, especially with all the different accounts and expenses we juggle. That's where budgeting apps come in, promising to be your financial superhero. But are they all created equal? Let's dive into one of the most popular options, Mint by Intuit. The big question, does Mint cost money? This might be the first question on your mind, and for good reason. Subscriptions can sneak up on you, quietly draining your wallet each month. Here's the good news, the core features of Mint are completely free. You can download the app, link your bank accounts, categorize transactions, and create budgets without spending a dime. So, what's the catch? There isn't necessarily a catch, but it's important to understand what you're getting with the free version. Mint makes its money by connecting you with financial products and services. You might see targeted ads for credit cards, loans, or investment opportunities. While these can be helpful suggestions, it's crucial to do your own research before diving into any financial product. What are the limitations of the free version? While the free features are robust, there might be a few things missing depending on your needs. Here's a quick rundown. Limited bill pay. You can't directly pay bills through the free version of Mint. No credit monitoring. The free version doesn't offer features like credit score tracking or fraud alerts. Fewer budgeting tools. Advanced budgeting features like custom categories and goal setting might be limited in the free version. Is there a paid version of Mint? Currently, Mint doesn't offer a premium tier with additional features. However, Intuit does have other paid financial products like TurboTax or QuickBooks Self-Employed that integrate with Mint. Should you upgrade? Ultimately, the decision depends on your financial needs. If you're comfortable managing bills elsewhere and your budgeting needs are straightforward, the free version of Mint should be enough. But if you crave in-depth credit monitoring, bill pay functionality, or advanced budgeting tools, you might need to explore other budgeting apps or consider Intuit's paid products. Alternatives to Mint. The world of budgeting apps is vast. Here are a few popular options with different pricing models. In-app, you need a budget subscription-based app known for its unique budgeting philosophy. Personal Capital, free version with basic budgeting features and a premium tier with investment tracking. Pocket Guard, free app with a focus on spending insights and real-time balance updates. Remember, the best budgeting app is the one that works for you. Take advantage of free trials, explore different options, and find the tool that empowers you to take control of your finances. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, happy budgeting.